All right, like I said, the easiest way to get this out is removing the AC compressor, not discharging the line or anything like that. You don't have to drop the differential or the transfer case, or you don't have to remove a drive shaft. Just kind of have to lift the engine up a little bit. Remove these. It's a coolant line right here, bracket that goes to that. Move this bracket out the way. Had access to the bolts going through the catalytic converters on that backside. And it was able to come out. Because the starter is going to have to come out through this way anyways. Then I lifted it up. I got pretty much a piece of rubber and something holding up the engine also on the oil pan. Then you're gonna get the 2 bolts for the starter. They are on the back side. Let me see if I can point to them. Like I said, very shitty design. There you go, just like that. Got 1 bolt out. All right, got that starter out. Also, there's going to be an additional 2 13mm bolts that you'll need to disconnect to get it unhooked from the cable.